Green tea is a popular beverage that's loaded with antioxidants and provides numerous health benefits. Let's take a closer look at why we should add this amazing superfood to our diet. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against cellular damage. These antioxidants also support heart health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Green tea also contains caffeine, which can improve brain function, increase energy levels, and boost metabolism. It's also been shown to enhance fat burning, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet. In addition, green tea may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, as it helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. In summary, green tea is a superfood that's loaded with antioxidants and provides numerous health benefits. Thanks for watching.